Our two-day workshop, Creating Visual Impact, is a great exploration of how we can make our material, such as our PowerPoints and our slides, such as our written materials, much more appealing to our learners. It explores the whole emotional connection around how we visually take in information. Let's think about this. We see things in a blink of an eye. We interpret those things so much quicker. Yet, when we design something like a slide deck, we may put lots and lots and lots of words in there and then proceed to read it. And worse still, whilst we're reading it, our learners are looking at it, they're hearing it in their head. And we're giving that effect of that dual modality, and we're giving the redundancy effect. So we need to learn how to be better, how to create more appealing visual material. Throughout the 2 days, we'll explore the Gestalt principles, the principles of graphic design. We'll look at the 4 secrets that we can utilise when we're putting together materials. We'll explore how colour and texture work together. We'll look at typography. We'll consider how all of these things fit into the piece. At the end of the programme, you'll create a digital artefact that you can go back and be proud of and actually be able to use in your work environment. Come and see us and explore that artistic approach to making things look so much more engaging for your learners.